What is good? Fuck, good. Everyone. Ashkeebs here. This is so scuffed. Man. I need to pay for a lot of invoices later this month. Shit, how much money did I have left? Shit. Topra? Freaking, it's just another membrane. I only use freaking MX style switches. There's no point in using goddamn Topra. It's like, it's like overpriced membrane keyboards. Yeah, Topra is the real endgame. MX style switches are just trash. Alright, just one more screw for the stabilizers. Fuck. Shit. Oh my god. God. Oh, fuck. Okay. Wait. Fuck! Bro, my hands are not that sweaty. It's not going to patina the weight at all. Trust me. Look, I had this for like 2 days. It's not even starting to patina at all. Shit. MX style switches, CNC machined cases. They don't make them like they used to no more. Artisans look ridiculous. I would never pay aftermarket or even that much money for just some resin in different colors and different shapes. This boggles my mind. I am never going down that rabbit hole. Yo, new artisan raffle this weekend? Shit, okay, I gotta call my cousins, call my extended family, call my sister, call my brother, call my dad, call my stepdad, call my stepdad's boyfriend. I gotta ping my Discord server. Shit, how do I get more entries? Fuck. What? Fucking holy mod? Tempest mod? Tape mod? Band-aid mod? Epsi mod? What in the world are these mods? You put the Band-aid in the what now? You put tape in the back of your... What? So you're telling me that putting tape on the back of your PCB is going to make it sound better? You guys are on some shit. God damn it, why does it actually sort of sound good? Alright, I made a new mod, guys. So all you have to do, this is called the Daki mod, aka the Ashkeebs mod, aka the Dgen mod, aka the Weeb mod, aka I don't know. But what you have to do is take your favorite Daki Makra cover, your body pillow, put it on top of the case, bottom case, and then you put your finished build, the top case on the top. Oh my goodness, look at that thock. Okay, so the really important part of this mod is that you have to use a good waifu. The better the waifu, the better the sound and bigger the thock. Jesus Christ, it works. Dust mats? Nah, I don't have that many. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another week, another bongo L. Wait, invoices are out? No way. No fucking way. I can't believe. Let's fucking go. I can't believe it. It's finally here. After so long, I finally got one. Why am I still not happy? So what you're telling me is this keyboard has a music function. Psh, people nowadays just trying to put in anything into a keyboard to try to make it... This is the best keyboard of all time. Huh, how much did I spend on this board? Just my house, my car, my 2 firstborn children, some credit card details, just the usual, and oh yeah, of course my soul as well. It was a pretty good deal, right? Yeah, it was a great deal. I finally got it. DFR 301, the Glorsis gun. Oh, I'm going to be so productive, man. Oh my goodness, I'm going to be desoldering all my boards, doing rebuilds, fixing my stabs, fixing all these crooked switches. Yeah, I'm gonna get my money's worth out of this. Maybe next week though. I'm a bit tired. Oh, I just got so many new switches in. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to put this in my next build. Maybe the one after. Where are my MX Blacks at again? Whoa. Hello? Yo, it's been a while. Oh, you actually want to get into custom keyboards? Oh shit. Oh, you want to get some keycaps? Okay. So what's the most popular? It's called GMK sets. They are a bit pricey, but they're pretty good. Most of them are in pre-order. Yeah, I know. It's called a group buy. It's basically like a pre-order. How long's the wait? It's like 2 years. How many sets do I have? like 15 of them. So what? Why do I have so many sets on Plus? And wait, why did I buy any ones? Yeah, I'm in like 10. Yeah, I do know they're not gonna come for like 2 years. No, yeah, you're right. I'm fucking stupid.
エマージェンシーレイジー奴らはクレイジーインザタウンうちにこもってゴロゴロゴロゴロと堕落の夜に絡みついた